I would really recommend that you find this article called From Foucault to San Francisco, The Enduring Root of Queer Theory, which really connects the dots between how really bad ideas like to be pro-sex work or to be something that falls between the lines of pedocriminality, the grooming of children, is always intertwined with this queer culture thing. All right, so let's talk about our premises. Our premises is that we are women, and as women, we are adult, human, female. And because of that premise, our analysis is sex-based, just like our oppression. So we understand our oppression and our worldview as being us as a sex class under patriarchy. And if we change this view as sex-based for one that is gender, again, whatever that means, based, then we lose our ability to properly view the world as it is. Another premise that I want to share is I can't wait for you guys to have this wonderful book translated to English. It is called The Cost of Virility by a wonderful French author. She did the case for France, but basically I'm looking forward for anyone to do the similar case for any other country. Basically, she calculated what masculinity and virility cost to society. And she had these very amazing stats that I'm just going to glance over. So basically, rapes are 99% committed by males. Conjugal violence, sexual violence, the rates are alarming. I'm sorry, I couldn't translate the slide. But basically, if you look at all the different violences, they are committed by males, mainly against women and children. So if we start from that premise, I don't see why we would find among trans-identified male different statistic. In fact, we often find worse. And the violence, let's remind ourselves what the male sexualized violence that comes from the trans activists looks like. Basically, they want to put a baseball bat to our skull. So we are indeed in the right to want to protect our sex-specific spaces and rights.